Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on a 2014 Toyota Tacoma with the V6 engine. You don't need any tools to do this job. I will be linking the part number for the engine air filter down below. So we have two clips toward the front of the engine air filter, a small tab in the back that you will need to realign once you go to reinstall the air filter. I'm going to go ahead and give you more details on that later. So we're going to undo both clips here at the front. And then you can just pull away on the airbox. It's very simple. Once you pull away the airbox, you can then use a little more force, just get it out of the hole, pull the old filter out, and then we'll simply put in the new filter. Here's the part number I got from Toyota, 17801-0P010. These are the engine air filters side by side. As you can see, the left one is the used one, already getting really dirty. And before you install the new one, make sure to look inside the airbox, look for any leaves, debris, dirt, clean it all out, make sure it's relatively clean. And now to install the air filter, you're going to want to put this side on the inside of the box, just like this. Doesn't matter if you go from the bottom or top, just go ahead and insert it, make sure it's nice and flush. And then we're just going to go ahead and work in this tab in the back. So you see here, get it under this little tab, slide it in, and then we can slide in the front and clip in both tabs and you're all done. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know down in the comments what you think. So if you found value from the video, subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos on the Toyota Tacoma. I provide step-by-step instructions and share tips and tricks along the way. Share a video with someone who you think can benefit from my channel as well, and I'll see you in the next one.